Hi there, welcome to the Polite English Guide. Today, we're looking at 10 common phrases and their polite alternatives to help you sound more professional and natural. Let's get started. 1. Send me the report. Could you kindly send me the report when you have a moment? Common. Send me the report. Polite. Could you kindly send me the report when you have a moment? Usage tip. More suitable for emails and professional requests. 2. I need help. I would truly appreciate your help with this. Common. I need help. Polite. I would truly appreciate your help with this. Usage tip. Expresses gratitude and sounds more respectful. 3. Come here. Would you mind coming over for a moment? Common. Come here. Polite. Would you mind coming over for a moment? Usage tip. More polite and considerate in requests. 4. Open the window. Would it be possible to open the window, please? Common. Open the window. Polite. Would it be possible to open the window, please? Usage tip. More polite and respectful, especially in shared spaces. 5. Give me a pen. If it's not too much trouble, could I borrow a pen? Common. Give me a pen. Polite. If it's not too much trouble, could I borrow a pen? Usage tip. Sounds more considerate and respectful. 6. Tell me the time. May I kindly ask what time it is? Common. Tell me the time. Polite. May I kindly ask what time it is? Usage tip. Sounds more formal and polite in social interactions. 7. Call me later. Would you be able to give me a call later when you're free? Common. Call me later. Polite. Would you be able to give me a call later when you're free? Usage tip. Sounds more respectful of the other person's time. 8. Hurry up. Would you mind speeding up a little, if possible? Common. Hurry up. Polite. Would you mind speeding up a little, if possible? Usage tip. Softer and more polite in urgent situations. 9. Wait a minute. Would you be able to wait just a moment, please? Common. Wait a minute. Polite. Would you be able to wait just a moment, please? Usage tip. Sounds more respectful and patient. 10. Turn off the lights. Would you mind turning off the lights when you leave? Common. Turn off the lights. Polite. Would you mind turning off the lights when you leave? Usage tip. More polite in shared or office environments. And there you have it. 10 polite alternatives to help you sound more professional and natural in English. Try using these in your conversations and see the difference. Which phrase do you use more often? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time on the Polite English Guide. Bye for now.